In this video, I will show how to create poster using the Canva. Open the Canva. Search here poster. And here you will see the poster A4, infographic poster, poster landscape. So select as your requirement. Here you will see the some styles and designs. Select any design. Customize this template. Now make changes as you need. You can change all things, all element here. Like this. Once you done your editing, click here. Download. You can download as PDF, JPG, PNG, PDF, print, and there are some more options. And here you can change the size also. Also you can resize from here. So very quick and fastest way to create a poster using the Canva. Thanks for watching.